All right, here we go. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Now, hold on a second. I done packed me a fat lip with that grizzly. So we're gonna try something new here. There are so many products out there, especially as seen on TV products, that I wish I could review, but to buy these things, it takes money. So when funds are tight, I figure, well, why do you even need to actually purchase what you want to review on here when everything you need is out there on the internet anyway? So one thing that caught my eye was Spicy Shelf, okay? And you can see it's probably gone through some redesigns and some upgrades. If we look here, it's new and improved. Deluxe, 5 times stronger. Before, look at the before. That's pretty much what I've got 2 shelves of spices and it looks like a hot mess just like that. It's got the new non-slip grip. See, the original probably didn't have that non-slip. Everything was slipping everywhere. All your cumin, your turmeric, your rosemary, it was going everywhere. It's versatile. You can use it for medicines. Excellent. Crafts. Use your cabinet and get your crafts organized. I can see some paints in there. Looks like more paint. Looks like a lot of paint. Lots of paint. Anything else? Stackable cabinet organizer. Adjustable. Fits any cabinet. That's a bold statement. It's stackable cabinet organizer. Set of 2. We take a look on Amazon. The reviews here, it's got 638 customer reviews, 4.5 stars. That's phenomenal. The price is a little up there. It's a little pricey. It's not even Prime, so you're gonna get free shipping. It's gonna be slow shipping. I shouldn't have put this dip in. This dip is old. Oh, my throat. I think I swallowed something. Anyway, but then if we look at another Amazon listing for it, 2,224 customer reviews, 3.5 stars. Big difference. Why is that? Is the box different? Yeah, that looks like the original, huh? So that's the original, not as good reviews, but decent. The newer one, the new and improved, that one's got the good reviews. So they did something good. They did a good upgrade. Let's take a look at the infomercial. You'll see why this has me interested.
If you've ever had to search through a mess of spices.
Okay, that one and this one. This is exactly what my kitchen looks like, and this is what the 2 shelves that I use, that's what my spices look like on there. Just a mess, digging through them. Some of them are so old, they get lost back there.
Looking for that one spice you know you have, but can never find.
Right.
And you're going to love this. Introducing the Spicy Shelf.
Wow. So it looks like you're gonna have to take a shelf out to have something that tall, because that looks like two of my shelving areas. So I'd have to pull one out. Have to pull it out.
The Spicy Shelf turns a mess of spices into an organized masterpiece. The Spicy
Damn.
Shelf is so simple.
Imagine your whole life being this organized, or imagine having the Spicy Shelf organizer and actually being able to keep up with it.
It's brilliant. It's a curved shelf that lets
Wait, what is this? What is this? Does it come with some type of LED light up background to really fancy up that cabinet? You open up, boom, you show that off to all your friends.
you see every spice you have at a glance.
We go back just a little bit. Definitely looks like my spices. Hit them with the generic. That's what I go with. Dollar Tree.
With ordinary shelves, there's wasted space above the spices. Spicy Shelf is stackable, so there's no wasted space. All of these spices can
Got a whole island full of spices. Now, I don't have nearly that many. If you see right back here, this looks like breadcrumbs. Oh man. The other day, I was trying to make some of my own veggie burgers out of beans. I saw a recipe for it and it needed breadcrumbs, and I was like, damn, I think I have breadcrumbs. I moved 3.5 years. I moved 3.5 years ago, and I brought my spices with me. And with my spices, I had some breadcrumbs. So at least 3.5 years old, likely 5+ years old. I opened them up, they had all kind of bugs in them. I hurried up, I got scared, tossed it in the trash, and then forgot about it. But I had left the lid partially open. When I went to go take the trash out the next day, there were bugs all over the trash can in my kitchen. Freaking out. What kind of bugs get in breadcrumbs? Somebody leave a comment. Please tell me.
outfitting your cupboard and stay organized. Spicy Shelf can nearly double your usable storage space. And if you have oversized bottles, they can always fit in the middle.
So that's gonna be your tall boys, your oils, your vinegars. Now, if you start putting your bottles of vinegar and oils and tall stuff, aren't they gonna be in the way and you're back to clutter? You can't access your spices? Think about that.
There's no complicated installation. You can use your existing
Okay, it's gotta be easy installation because look, women can do it.
shelf pins, or you can use the freestanding legs that are included with every Spicy Shelf. Spicy Shelf can fit nearly any size cupboard.
You got that little skinny cupboard. It can fit, it can adapt. This is genius.
It expands to fit wider cabinets, or it contracts to fit smaller, more narrow cabinets. It's that easy.
So I'm pretty impressed. I don't know about you, but what I want to do is I want to go to the most recent model and see, even though it looks like it doesn't have hardly any bad reviews, let's find out. I like to look at 3-star reviews. Typically 3-star reviews are going to be your honest reviews, and there aren't many of them, but they're going to be good pros and cons usually in them. 1-star review, flimsy, not worth $20. Well, it's almost $30. So the price has gone up. Assembled it first, blah, blah, blah. The runner supports, even put it together with a shorter late. So this person just couldn't get it to work. Space saving is a good idea, just cheap execution. Well, it's freaking plastic. You can see that. Here's one of the 3 stars. Again, they couldn't get it to fit. So that was their problem. They tried the different plastic units and it just wasn't working for them. So fit could be an issue, but I mean, if you get it from Amazon, hopefully you can just return it. I'll tell you what, Ryan, for silly reviews on the Spicy Shelf, the new one, the deluxe 5 times stronger version, I gotta give it, that's 2 thumbs up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ryan. For silly reviews, do you own the Spicy Shelf? Leave a comment, let us know what you think about it. What's your favorite spices? What spices do you usually use in your food? Let me know. I usually use some Tony Chachere's, and I'm good to go. Oh, I'm out of here. Ryan for silly reviews, thanks for watching. And if it's not too much trouble, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Silly Reviews.